Hey, thanks for clicking on another video. This week we worked mainly on the wood ceiling of Shiplap ceiling. We're using 1x10 Shiplap pine. It's rough on one side, smooth on the other, and I'm using the rough side out. And I've had a lot of questions about how I'm going to finish it, and the answer is I'm not. I used this material in our last house that we built in 2004. You've heard me talk about. We used it for all the trim, which I plan on doing here. We used it on the walls of the living room and the kitchen, the dining room, not the kitchen, but the dining room and the living room. And people loved it, and we never finished it. And we had it up for 16 years. It's still there. It looks great. It doesn't get grimy or, in here it's just going to be on the ceiling. So I am not going to put any finish on it. I'm going to leave it raw. It's white pine woods after all. All I'm doing is going over it once with a 60 grit random orbit sandpaper, and we're just banging it up. And we're not getting real fussy about the lines in between the rows. We're getting kind of fussy with the joints, staggering the joints and making sure they're tight. But the more you put up, the more beautiful it gets. So it's really a fun project. So I thought I'd show you this project and document it. So it's taken me, I've been working on it now for a couple weeks. Waited for material for a while. I got one load of material and then I had to wait for the next. But it's probably a 2-week job. My brother came and helped me for a couple days to get started. And my friend Scott stopped by for a day to visit, and he ended up working the whole day with me. Of course, my wife Jen's been helping me. So it's a lengthy, tedious job, but it's coming out great, and we love the look of it. So thanks again for clicking on the video. If you want to follow along in our home build, consider subscribing to the channel. We've got a little bit further to go here. And give the video a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down, whatever. I just am grateful that you're here watching. So anyway, enjoy the video. We'll see you next time from White Pine Woods. So long. All right, so I got to start up here, which means I got to be down here, right where the staircase is. Camera picked this up. So here's where I want to be, right here. And that's right there. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those planks down there, staging planks. Those are 10 feet long. And I'm going to put some beams across here, as far this way as I can. I'll put some 2x8s, 2x6s. I got 2x8 sitting right out there. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe I'll cut that, put that right here, screw it down to both sides. That'll give me support for that plank right there. And then I'll be able to stand on that. I'll put the stand on it, put the stage ladder on it, whatever. So wish me luck. the ladder, we can do it one more time. Damn it, I did it again, didn't I? No, I didn't. I've been having a hard time making these cuts and be in the right place. But looks like I got it this time. Nail it, as they say. I used to work for a guy building houses a little bit, and that's what he used to say all the time. Nail it! Yeah, remember when I had plenty of nails? Problem is they're in my pocket. Better fit after all this. All right, there's the insulation. Say goodbye, insulation. No more insulation. You gonna miss it?
No. Bye, insulation.
Last piece of the ceiling.
Woo!
Except for all the trim. It's gonna take me another week to do. But this,
Last puzzle piece always feels good.
oh, it's too long.
No. Oh.
It's too long, and I don't know if it's too wide until I. Oh God. Yeah, it's too long. I'll be right back.
Take two.
All right, let me see that it fits before we go crazy. No, it's too short. Last piece. Ready? Done. Woo!